2018 Ford Fiesta. I'm going to show you the defrost settings on this particular vehicle. The defrost settings are intended to defrost the windshield and the rear windshield part of the vehicle. Okay, so I'm in this section right here. In order to defrost it, normally you'd set it to hot, which I'm doing right now, to the warm, because that would melt the ice or get rid of the stuff efficiently. I mean, you could try other level settings if you want to, but I keep mine right there. And then there's this button right here. This right here will turn on the defroster for the windshield. If I press or I turn the knob that way, right? It's defrosting the windshield. Or right here, defrost the windshield and delivering heat or cold air towards your feet. But then there's the rear defrost, which is this button right here. If I press this button, the window would defrost in the rear to where I can either melt ice or something on the outside of it, fog, or just clear it up, okay? Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.